H1B detects, identifies and finds drone direction based on radio spectrum technologies. It is wearable and suitable for mission on the move. It's highly easy to operate. Automatically enters detection once switched on. Real-time display of detection result. Once a target is detected, the device will send alarm by twinkling or beeping, prompting the staff to take action. User chooses the direction finding function, rotates the directional antenna, finds the direction of the drone based on the changes of the figures. When at a certain direction, the directional figure surpasses the omnidirectional figure, meaning the right direction of the drone is found. It can couple with a portable drone jammer to mitigate drone incursion threats. It is optimal for security tasks for major events, VIPs, daily patrol, airports, energy parks, and so on.